everybody? Hope everyone is having a good day and a good week so far. And welcome to my channel, guys. This is the Be Pure and the Be Pure Hydrating Under Eyes Concealer from the Dollar Tree. I have been using these for some time, and let me say, I really like this. It does blur. It's a blur face primer. I really like it, and I really like their concealer. I definitely will be getting more next time when I go back to the Dollar Tree. I should have bought 2 of them, but I didn't. I didn't realize that I was going to like the blur face primer that much, but I really like it. It does blur. The concealer is pretty good as well. I have to use it a lot more, but yeah, this is the Be Pure from Dollar Tree, and I really like these. I highly recommend these. If you guys like my videos, please like, sub, and comment, and remember to hit that notification bell. If you don't, you never know when I upload. Thanks for watching, and have a good day, guys.